What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Hope you guys are having a great day. So in the last video you guys saw me fuck up the headlights on the BMW. So this week I ordered some headlights and they came in this week, and that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm gonna install them. I think they're gonna look pretty good. I ordered some halo headlights for this. I know BMWs look really good with halos. I know some actually come with halos from factory. This one didn't. Unfortunately, it came with reflectors, but the ones that I bought are actually, it's like a conversion kit, has halos, has projectors as well, so the lights should be pretty bright. I tested them last night just because I was curious to see if they were any good, and it seems like they're actually some pretty good lights, so hopefully they look good for one, and hopefully they do last a while because they are from eBay. They were pretty expensive. They were like 300 bucks, I'm not gonna lie, but like I said, these were probably some of the best headlights I could find on eBay. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this started. Real quick, before I get started, let me show you guys what happened to one of my wheels. So I was pulling up to a curb, and it was a really steep curve, so obviously I had to take it really sideways, and I got up on 3 wheels, and one wheel tucked into the fender well, and I guess I haven't rolled the fenders enough, and just check this out. So I don't know how well you guys can see it, but the whole lip is scratched. I might be able to get most of the scratching off by grabbing a wet paper towel and just going over it, trying to get all of this white stuff off of all of the scratched white stuff. It seems like if I do scratch some of it off, it will come off and it'll look a little better. The wheel went into the fender, and it really fucked up the whole wheel from the lip. But I guess it's typical slam card problems. I mean, maybe I should just roll the fenders. I should have rolled them out more. I should have pushed the fenders out more than what I did, but I guess it's too late now. What I've been wanting to do is order a spare front wheel and a spare rear wheel, because if you guys didn't know, I have an 8.5 by 19 in the front, and then a 10.5 by 19 in the rear. So I have I have the wheels offset. I have them staggered. Just in case of anything, I want to have a spare front wheel and a spare rear wheel. And in this situation, it would be really nice if I had a spare rear, so I could send this one back to ESR to get it fixed. But like I said, unfortunately, I can't do that right now. Maybe later in the future, I'll order the 2 wheels I need. For right now, I guess I'm just gonna have to rock a scratched wheel. It's not too bad. You can't notice it from a distance, so hopefully it doesn't come out in the pictures I take for Instagram. But like I said, it's still something that I am not really okay with. I'm definitely gonna roll the fenders later again for sure, just so that doesn't happen again and doesn't happen on the other side. So I'm gonna go ahead by removing the bumper again. To my understanding, there are some bolts here, somewhere under, and I think some on the side. So I'm gonna remove the bumper just to get to those a lot easier. Today for sure we're gonna wash the engine bay. I really hate seeing this engine bay this dirty. I took the car to work this week, so yeah, the whole car is dirty, as you can tell. But yeah, for sure we're gonna wash this engine bay today because I am tired of seeing it this dirty. Alright, so first headlight is off. It took me a minute to figure this out. I knew that there was one up top, 2 up top, one on the bottom, one back here. There's also one on the side, and this one, actually it was the bottom one that was hard to get. So what I had to do was, there are 2 bolts here. I just came in here, loosened these just enough so I could pull this out. Just didn't pull it out too hard to not break that piece right there. I just pulled it back, and then I reached in here, took it out. It'd be better if you could get this bolt off that's in here. I couldn't get it, so I just left it. I didn't even bother. But if you can get the bolt out that's back here, that's 10 times better, because then you just take out the whole frame that holds the headlight, and it's gonna be just 10 times easier to get to this one, because I still kind of struggled to get to this one right here, even after I loosened it right here. And plus, like I said, you risk breaking this. So I'm gonna go ahead, throw both the headlights on, and I guess I'll show you guys when I have the results. I think they look really good. I hope you guys like them as well. I hope they fit. They look like they're the same, but you never know. You never know with eBay stuff. Alright, so headlights are installed. I think they're gonna look good. I still need to mock up the bumper, but I'm gonna peel the plastic off of the headlights. It's like a film, protective film that just came in the package. So I'm gonna peel those off really quick, throw the bumper on, and show you guys the results. I think you're gonna like them. Alright, so I'm actually really happy with the results. I thought they were gonna look not this good, but I think they fit the car really well. Check this out. So I don't know if it's gonna be on the video, but it looks like it's flickering. In person it doesn't do that. I don't know why it does that on video. It also does that with my phone. So yeah, if you guys are planning any of these headlights, it actually really doesn't do that, just on video for some reason. But yeah, check it out. That actually looks really good. I'm actually really happy with these results. These lights over here kind of look kind of weird. I've never had this kind of, just a bunch of LEDs. Yeah, these things are solid. They look great. Little by little, guys, the BMW is coming together little by little. Next step is probably get a bumper, because I really am not liking the look of this bumper. So next step for sure, it's gonna be a bumper. Not digging this look of the bumper at all. So ever since I got this car, I really did not like the front end. Front bumper is probably next on the list. That probably might be a while though. I'm still debating on which bumper to get. And plus my fog light harness is not all in the car, so I have to order all of that stuff too, because when I get the bumper I'm also getting fog lights with the bumper. So I have to figure out my harness first for the fog lights. But yeah, car looks great. Now remember, I have the BMW, the years so did not come with halos. So if you guys have the same issue and want to get halos, this is a good option for you guys. These look terrible. These are actually really bad. Compare them to the new ones. Yeah, this is ugly. This is horrible. I'm so glad I'm getting rid of these. I might actually get these sent to get fixed, get customized as well, because I could get this original look with the halos, with good halos and good projectors, and I'm basically gonna have the OEM look. One other thing, some people get a dash light, something about the lights not working on the car thinks the headlights are not working, or they're disconnected, or something is just wrong with them. And some people get a dash light when they put aftermarket headlights. With these headlights, it seems like I do not have an extra light. I've always had the tire pressure monitor light because I don't have tire pressure monitors in these tires. And then the brake light, I'm not sure what's wrong with the rear brakes, but I have to get that fixed as well. But those two lights have always been there. This is just the seatbelt light. But like I said, these headlights did not cause a problem with a light on the dash. That's another plus. So I did order one other thing. So since these wheels were pretty expensive, this car does not have an alarm. I went online and ordered some lug studs. I basically just bought four, one for every wheel, and I have the key for those studs. I could have actually ordered two different ones, but like I said, these are to prevent any theft of the wheels. But I mean, if anybody can get a jack under there. Most jacks do not fit under this car, but I mean, anyways, yeah, really quick, we'll just throw these on. I'm just gonna show you guys really quick what exactly I got. Alright, so this is the key. I don't think that there are many aftermarket keys for these lug studs, so if I ever lose this key, I probably will never get my wheels off again. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, throw these on. It's just one on every wheel. Alright guys, so that's all I had for today's video. I want to get that taken care of. That was really just bothering me since I got the car, and so that's why I've been messing with them since forever, but finally took well care of them. So I think I'm just gonna end the video here, guys. Like I said, I don't got much to do. Gotta go wash the beam, but that's about it. If you guys like this video, hit that like button, comment down below, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one.